Yeah. Water. 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 That's a live wire. Quality, quantity. That's what we need in any major fish farm. And then ability to tap into that resource. Now, this is water. The good luck here in one of the most ambitious farms in the country, in West Africa, is this proximity to water. Good quantity, saving us tens of boreholes to take care of the over 77 2,100 liter, 2,100 liter, 21,000 liter pools for each one, and that's a serious one. Now, the water, there's a lot of water, but then the quality is a challenge. We've tested and found that the water is acidic, so that means the guy selling soda ash should be extremely happy. Tons and tons and tons every day. Sorry, we've got no show here because Mrfish is there. So we're going to use the natural approach, which is our proprietary ALKALISER. It'll be put straight on from once the water is put from here by a pump straight to the reservoir, from the reservoir onto the overhead tanks, from there to the ALKALISER, and then you have water that's like bottled water, pH 7, worst case scenario 6.5 or 7.5. Between that range, that's perfect for catfish. Now, as good as the river is, water crystal clear and the rest, what we see mostly is elemental fish. So because of the humic acid and the heavy forestation of the area, ornamentals are happier here. Even some model of tilapia will be happier, some species of tilapia will be happier, but then not a single catfish can be found in this river. So we got good quality water, good quantity of water, but not good quality. I hope that's clear. That's clear to us. So what we're going to do is to create a cage for us to put our suction what's it called? Pipe or hose pipe, and then you have the pump somewhere here, and then boom, shifted to the main system here. I think that's okay. So we're going to go out there later on and check out, take the pH one more time again. We have to do it several times to be sure of the seasonality. We had a few rains yesterday, and let's see, did it change anything at all? We'll do that. The manager is going to do that for a period of time, and let's see whether there is a possibility. But from indications on the biodiversity here, with zero catfish Clarias, that means we got to work on the water to make it comfortable for the most ambitious, one of the most ambitious catfish projects in this country. 300 to 600,000 fishes per annum. That's not a joke. So can you beam on the work going on today, and let's see what happens. We prayed for rain yesterday and it happened, but even at that, the compaction will not allow us to. This place wasn't compacted, so you can see I'm sinking in, right? But then where the compactor ended his job, it's all about diggers, and then supported by shovels, just for us to get the trenches appropriately, so that we can have a German floor, right? So because of the topography, we still have to do what they call step up, step down, to make sure that there's a balance. The plumb line is gotten, and that's exactly what's going on in here. Right up to, let's see. If you look at it from this perspective there, you will see we have almost four or three steps down. Yeah, about 3 or 4 steps step down here. Can bend a little bit for them to see what it is like, so that we can have almost close to same level. And there's a need to step down. We do the step down. So for now, we focused on about 40 for a start, so that there'll be opportunity to get the trucks to bring in our sand to mold more blocks. Like I said earlier on, people do what you expect, what you expect, not what you expect. So the blocks are to be molded in here. We got 1/3 of the blocks molded already. 1/3, even though it looks plenty. You can zoom in on the blocks, see blocks everywhere, but then it's just 30% of what is needed. So most cement coming in, more blocks to be molded, so that we can really have speed and the construction progress going on. We expect not to spend more than 1.5 to 2 months here, and with materials at disposal as our wind due, I believe we'll achieve these results. You know, Mrfish speaking, not from the north, not from the west, from southern Nigeria. I can be here. All right, that's okay. For now, I'll keep you posted.